Hello and welcome to my channel, How To with Ocheriza. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to create a simple cod fish salad. If you like this type of tutorials and would like to see more, I invite you to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and to receive a notification every time I upload a brand new video, simply click on the little bell. To continue, just keep watching. To complete this recipe, you will need the following ingredients: 2 small avocados, 4 small tomatoes, 1 onion. The onion can be of your preference, yellow, white, or red, a lime, olive oil, and the main ingredient, 1 pound of cod fish. Keep in mind that this recipe you could follow as is, or you could add less or more. It all depends on what you prefer and how many people you're serving. In this case, I am serving a family of 4. I went ahead and cut all the ingredients into squares. You can actually cut or use the method that best works for you. I also decided to only use half of the onion instead of a whole onion. Now we will bring a pot of water to boil. While the water is boiling, we're now going to try to rinse out some of the salt that the cod fish contains. Or if you prefer, you could always put it in a bowl of hot water and leave it soaked in for a couple of minutes. After we rinse out most of the salt, we now bring it to the boiling water. The reason why we boil it is because, as I mentioned, codfish is extremely salty. We try to take as much salt as we can out of the codfish. Now we rinsing out all the salty water. Keep in mind that no matter what, the codfish will always contain some salt and still have some flavor. Now, just grab a fork or whatever you have in hand and start shredding the codfish as desired, as we start preparing the codfish for our delicious salad. And now we will be adding the ingredients that we previously had cut. In this case, we're going to start with the avocado. And now the tomatoes. The onions, now we're going to be adding the olive oil. Always keep in mind that you could use whatever oil you prefer, adding less or more depending on your preference. Now we're going to be squeezing half a lime, but I prefer to have more citrus. In that case, I'm just going to add the other half, making it a whole lime. Now we're just going to combine all the ingredients together to make sure that all the oil and the lime It's all combined. And now it's ready to serve, to eat, and to enjoy. You could serve this recipe, gazpacho as we call it in Spanish, with bread, and even with some crackers. We have come to an end of this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed the recipe, and if you would like to see more of these videos, I invite you to please subscribe. This is How with Ocheriza. Thank you for watching. Till our next tutorial.